Okay, so here we are. We have all the sod cut off and rolled up. The next step will be for rototilling, and the reason we want to rototill is when you take that sod off, the dirt's going to be really hard and compacted, and we want to break that up to improve drainage. So at this point, we're going to start the rototill. We'll give you a demonstration here with this small rototiller here, show you what's going to happen and what to expect when you use one of these. Hi, well, welcome back. Yesterday I got this all rototilled up. I actually went over it 2 times to get it soft enough to where I wanted to work the ground. This is a time where you take the soft soil and you move it around to fill in low spots and high spots. So on the subgrade, before you bring in your topsoil or compost, that you're going to be doing it on the grade that you want your lawn already set at. So, okay, so typically to get 3 or 4 inches of good topsoil down, you're looking at about 10 yards of soil per 1,000 square feet. Okay, so here we are. Here's the compost we'll be using. As maybe you can see, it does have a little bit more, it's got a little bit of wood in it, some sawdust and stuff. So we'll go ahead and get the tractor and start spreading this on the field. Okay, so now we've got the piles all spread out here. I tried to dump them in even little piles all the way along. So when you go out to this point, you just need to start spreading them out. So you just take a rake and rake the piles out, or if you did run a piece of equipment, go ahead and level it out with the bucket here, which is what I'm going to do here in just a minute. But the idea here now is to get it nice and level, and then we'll get the rototiller going again, and we'll mix in all that compost into our soil we have here. Okay, so now I've got the soil all mixed up. I got it rototilled down. I got about 6 inches of nice consistent soil all the way down. So when you lay there sod on top of that soil, those roots can penetrate that and just keep going all the way down without reaching any barriers or hardpan or different type of soil and things like that. So that's the reason I went through these extra steps of rototilling and mixing in the soil rather than just dumping the topsoil right on top. It'll require less water in the summertime and less fertilizing. You should be able to keep your lawn green and healthy a lot easier than just a little bit of topsoil over some hard dirt.